Hello friend, welcome to Programming Drama Online. In this lecture we are going to learn how we will swap two variables in very easy way. So before we write program, firstly we have to solve it practically. So let's start. Suppose we have two variable A and variable B, and A has value 4 and B has value 5, and we have to swap these two variable. So what we will have to do? Firstly we will add these two variable, and addition of these two variable 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. Then we will copy the value of B to A. Now the value of A would have been changed. It will become 5. Then we will subtract the addition of these two value to any one of these one value, like suppose A, and store it to B. Then what will happen? The addition of these two value is 9, minus, and the value of A is 5. 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. So friend, we see the value of B would have been changed. It will become 4. So now friend, we see the value of A and B has been changed. And if we take all these logic in a single line, just like and then check it into another value, like if we take A has value 8 and B has value 7, then what will happen? B is equal to A plus B, 8 plus 7 is equal to 15, minus, here friend, the value of B is copying to A, so A would have been changed. It will become 7, and 15 minus 7 is equal to 8. Now the value of B would have been changed. It will become 8. Friend, we see the value of A and B has been changed. So its logic work very easily. Let's take it on code. So friend, see here we take two variable, A is equal to 5 and B is equal to 6, and print its value before swapping, and then write our logic. P is equal to A plus B minus A is equal to B. Then we will print its after swapping value, then run it. So friend, we see its output. Before swapping, the value of A is 5 and the value of B is 6, and after swapping, the value of A is 6 and the value of B is 5. So now that's it for this lecture friend. Please subscribe our channel for more video.